So what had we done the other day? What had we done? क्या करा था हमने? Hurry up.
Advertisement or
Advertisements. Okay. उसके बाद invitations.
Yes, ma'am.
Which was the last invitation that we had completed? I'm talking about the completion. कौन सा था last वाला? Last जो हमने complete कर लिया था.
Cricket championship.
Yes, ma'am, you are Sachin Bansal, the head boy of Primrose Public
Yes, ma'am.
School. The
Cricket championship.
We had completed it, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
पूरा लिख लिया
Yes,
था
ma'am.
हमने draft. Okay, we had drafted. Right. Now it was what? It was the formal invitation. Okay. It was the formal invitation or informal one. What was it?
Ma'am, it is a formal one.
It was the formal one.
formal.
Write down. Right, beta. अब हम लिखेंगे informal invitation ही. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
I'll give
Okay,
you
Yes,
the
ma'am.
question. See, informal invitation is almost what? It's an informal letter only, na? वही है ना? Informal invitation क्या है बेटा? Informal letter है. So I'm going to give you the question, right? And then you're
Yes,
going
ma'am.
to, yes, you'll draft on your own, but अपने आप draft करना. बहुत simple है. Write down the question, put today's date and write down the question. Should I begin?
Yes, ma'am.
Write down. Rohit has got success. Rohit has got success in CBSE PMT, CBSE small dash PMT. Rohit has got success in CBSE PMT, full stop. He wants to celebrate his admission. He wants to celebrate his admission to Shivaji Medical College to Shivaji Medical College comma Nagpur by throwing a party to his friends, by throwing a party to his friends. Full stop. Write an informal invitation. Write an informal invitation giving details of venue, time, and date. Write an informal invitation giving details of venue, comma, time, and date. Full stop. Word limit 50 words. Written, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
how will you write it? How will you write it? First,
Ma'am, first receive. Yes.
sender's address will be there. Okay. And then leaving a line, what will you write down?
Date.
Date you are going to write down. Then after this, hurry up. After this, you should be prompt in answering. After date,
Salutation.
salutation में क्या लिखेंगे धीरज?
Ma'am, dear or friends. का नाम.
Yes, very good beta. Dear करके friend's name will be there. Okay. And ये तो आ गया आपको. अब ये जो ड्राफ्ट करेंगे ना, you will draft on your own. अब उसमें आप ये लिख सकते हैं, you will be glad to know that I have secured such and such rank, maybe 100 rank, maybe 80th, maybe 92nd rank in the CBSE PMT competition, and I have got admission in one of the prestigious colleges of India, that is Shivaji Medical College, Nagpur. Okay, and then you can also write down, I want to share these happy moments, okay, of my life in the company of my friends at a dinner in the hotel, name and day, date and time you can write down. Okay, and finally you can write it, please join the celebrations. Clear? Please join the celebrations and merrymaking, and then yours loving, and then the name of the person who is writing. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
अब लिख लेंगे ना आप?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is Y? ये Y कौन? अच्छा यशस्वी. बहुत जल्दी ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं आप बेटा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन लिखो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. You are Leena Sen, full stop. You are Leena Sen, S-E-N, okay? Full stop. The wedding of your elder sister, Reena Sen, is going to be held on. The wedding of your elder sister, Reena Sen, is going to be held on the 15th May 2000 at Hotel Lakeview, Udaipur. At Hotel Lakeview, Udaipur. Full stop. Write out an informal invitation. Write out an informal invitation to your friend Winnie. Write out an informal invitation to your friend Winnie, Vinnie, requesting her to attend the function. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Will you be able to write down better?
Yes, ma'am.
लिख लेंगे
Yes,
आप?
ma'am.
Sure? Okay. Send us address and the date, and then dear Winnie, and you can write down with an informal beginning. Okay. Hi, hope this letter finds you in pink of health. You will be glad to know that the wedding of my elder sister Reena is going to be held on such and such date, where it is. Okay. And then the whole family, it will move there in the morning. So I invite you and all the family members You can write down, I invite you, uncle, aunt, and your brother to join us, okay, in the marriage, and where you need to join, where you want her to join, that you can write down on which date, okay, maybe a date prior to the wedding, okay, it's not necessary that you're going to invite her, especially on the wedding day, it can be a day prior to the wedding, as we have so many functions, okay, and then yes, waiting for her, and you just hope, you not only hope but you're confident, you can write down that you will soon join us on this auspicious occasion, and then yours loving and the name of the writer. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Thoda syllabus
Yes,
dekho
ma'am.
beta. Syllabus, just take out the books, pick up the books wherever your books are kept, take them out, open the contents. Open the contents, take out the index of it. The contents, hurry up. Taken out?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Flamingo, you will be getting 1 to 5 lessons. The last lesson, Lost Spring, Deep Water, The Red Trap, and Indigo. Mark them. Half-yearly syllabus. I'll send it on the group also, and right now you mark it if you're having the book. Poetry 1, 2, and 3. My mother at 66, elementary school, and Keeping Quiet. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Vistas, the 5 chapters that we had done. The third level, enemy should wizard hit mommy on the face of it, and Evans tries an O level. Kar liya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this you will get as your half-yearly syllabus, and what more? The writing skills, invitation, add, okay, notice writing also. Got it beta? Notice writing भी आपको मिलेगा, वो भी syllabus में है आपके, समझ गए?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Then article writing and letter,
Yes, ma'am.
article writing and letter to the editors and all. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will switch on to the notice writing. Now listen children, tomorrow I'll just take a demo test of first 3 chapters, the last lesson, Lost Spring and Deep Water. Okay, what you will be required to do, I'll just give you the test, you take the test, open it, do it within the limited time, and convert it into PDF and then send it to me. समझ गए?
Okay, ma'am.
You do not need to copy down the questions. Questions copy नहीं करना है. ठीक है, limited time में करिए. This is just for a practice, एक sample test होगा. और ऐसे ही हम रोज करा करेंगे, है ना? ठीक है, so that you might develop this practice of doing it within the limited time and then converting it into PDF. ठीक है, तो कल हम लेंगे, आपको मैं दूंगी first 3 chapters का, the last lesson. Sorry, Lost Spring and Deep Water. Fine, children?
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Now
Ma'am?
tell me what is, yes, Anushka. Yes, Anushka.
Ma'am, we have to make another register for grammar work.
हाँ, ग्रामर नहीं है बेटा, राइटिंग स्किल्स है आपको, उसका तो बनेगा ही ना। एक साथ कैसे होगा टेक्स्ट और
Yes, ma'am, we have to make another register.
हाँ, श्योर। अनसीन पैसेज विल बी देयर, ओके, वो मत भूलना,
Okay,
अनसीन
ma'am.
पैसेज।
Okay, ma'am.
अच्छा, व्हाट इज नोटिस राइटिंग? हु विल टेल मी व्हाट इज नोटिस राइटिंग? What is notice writing, children? Class 12
Printed news.
students. Eh?
Announcement.
Okay, it's an
Printed news
announcement. It's an information. Okay. It contains some news. It contains some information. It contains announcement about something that is about to take place or that has happened. Okay, or is likely to happen, or पब्लिक नोटिसेस होते हैं, स्कूल नोटिसेस होते हैं, इंस्टीट्यूशन में सर्व होते हैं, लाइक दिस, ओके। एंड एक्चुअली जो नोटिस होता है, when we write down the notice, you know, how do we write down the notice? Tell me the format of notice writing. How do we write
Ma'am,
it?
it is written in the box.
That is fine. It's written in the box. It's put in the box. But what is the format?
Ma'am, in the center, firstly the name of institution or
Very
school.
good. The name of the institution is there. And is it in running letters or capital letters?
Ma'am, capital letters.
Capital.
Ma'am, capital letters.
Right. Then
And then on left side date.
no, Dheeraj.
Ma'am, date of issue.
You're wrong.
Ma'am, notice.
Yes, the word notice comes in the second line. Okay. In the second line, what is there? The word notice is there. Right. And the word notice is on the left or right or in the center? जल्दी बताओ, कहाँ आएगा वर्ड नोटिस? लेफ्ट में, राइट में और सेंटर में? The network connection, it was unstable. Yes, where will you write down the word notice? फटाफट बताओ.
Ma'am, notice.
Where will you write it? On the left hand or on the right hand or in the center?
Ma'am, in the center.
In the
Center. And in capital letters. Then the date, left hand side or right hand side?
Yes, ma'am.
कहाँ लिखोगे date? Left hand or right hand side? Yes, children. Class 12 students.
Right.
Where will you write down the date? Right hand or left hand? Vikram and all, they all are dumb. They are not speaking. They do not know. Neeraj, left hand side, we
Ma'am,
always put the date on the left hand side. And the month, you know, it should always be in words. Words आ गया ना समझ में? 30th September
yes.
या नवंबर लिखेंगे तो words NOVEM उसमें लिखी जाती है. समझ में आ गया? Fourth line, what?
Ma'am, title in the center and in the capital letters.
Okay. Capital or running it.
Yes, ma'am. Subject of the event.
Subject. Okay. Now, when you write down the notice, when you draft a notice, what is the main purpose of writing it? The notice is to give complete information, right, beta? And whatever you are writing there in the notice, it should be very clear. Okay, the purpose why you are writing down, it should be very clear. Content जो भी आप लिखेंगे उसमें जो भी होगा, date, time, venue, everything, all the important information must be given, and try to avoid using I and you. First or second person use नहीं होता है. It is always in the third person. जब complete कर लेंगे तो designation of the writer, name and designation of the writer, that should be written. क्या समझ में आ रहा है? और जो word limit है ना वो
Yes,
जरूर
ma'am.
उसका ध्यान रखिए, अदरवाइज नेगेटिव मार्किंग होती है. क्लियर और नॉट?
Clear, ma'am.
हाँ, तो फिर
Yes, ma'am.
कल हम करेंगे, प्रैक्टिस करेंगे नोटिस राइटिंग. ओके, फाइन, एंड रिवाइज
Okay, ma'am.
ऑल
Okay,
द
ma'am.
3 chapters for your
Okay, ma'am.
demo test. Okay, bye and take care, beta. Take care.